In this video, I'm going to show you the most handy meal prep that gives you the biggest time saving and the flavor boosting. Chopped onions and sauteed onions. But first, I'm going to give you my 5 tips on how to chop onions without frying. Coming up. Hi, I'm Mari, author of international best-selling cookbook, Kitchen Wizard Flexipes. So why are we starting with onions? Number 1, we should first want to start with the chopped onions because it adds some kick on your salad, sandwiches, tacos, etc. More importantly, you have to first chop your onions to make sauteed onions. So you should save some for this purpose for sure, and then shoot few birds with one stone. Number 2, so many recipes start with sauteed onions. It adds so much flavors to your dish, but it takes a while to chop and cook. That's why you want to batch prep, especially in colder months. Especially if you're plant-based, this is a game changer. First, remove skin, top, and root of the onion, making sure the bottom is still intact, wrapped with plastic wrap. Store all the onion scraps in the freezer and make the broth later. Option 1, freeze your onion for 15 minutes. Option 2, store your wrapped onion in the fridge. Cut the onion vertically in half. Slice along the fibers first from one side like a fan. Then slice it horizontally. If you use sweet onions, you should be able to do this without crying, even if you don't refrigerate or freeze your onions. If it still stinks, turn the fan on. If you wear contacts, that's the best shield against onions, or just buy pre-cut onions. And store them in a clear container in the fridge or freezer. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and add sliced onions. Mix well to coat the onion with oil. Add some salt early to season the onion as well as to shorten the cooking time. Saute your onion until translucent. You can cover the skillet with the lid to shorten cooking time if you would like. Adjust seasoning with more salt and pepper to taste. Store them in a clear container in the fridge and chop them up smaller if your recipe calls for diced and sauteed onions. So there you have it. In my next video, I will show you my unique freezing hack so that you can use your food without fouling. A huge time saver. So question of the day. What is your go-to tip for chopping onions? Leave a comment below. So if you want to get started right away, I have a quick start guide waiting for you at marisuzuki.com. If you like this video, please subscribe and then turn notification on so that you wouldn't miss anything. And thank you for watching, and then have fun kitchen wizarding. Bye!